Hey everyone, in this video we are breaking down what is AWS, a simple step-by-step guide made for beginners. At the end, you know what is AWS, what it can do, and how to get started even with zero experience. So on to our step one. Let's start with the basics. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud platform that lets you run computing tools like servers and storage instead of owning them. Everything happens online, so you don't need to set up physical hardware. Simple. Step two, why use AWS? Why do people use AWS? Well, running your own servers is expensive and complicated. With AWS, you can store data, run apps, and stay secure, all without managing the hardware. And the best of all, you only pay for what you use. Step three, what can you do with AWS? AWS can do a lot. You can host a website, store large files, analyze data, stream video, run code, and even back up your systems. Think of it like a digital toolbox for anything cloud related. Step 4, key AWS services. Let's simplify the main services. EC2 is like renting a computer in the cloud. S3 is where you store your files. RDS gives you ready-made databases, and Lambda lets you run code without setting up any servers. Step 5, how to get started. Getting started is easy. Go to our aws.amazon.com, create a free account and add a payment method. Don't worry about adding the payment method. If you stay within the free tier, you won't get charged. Then from there, you can launch your first AWS service right from the dashboard. So let me show you how to go about it. So on your browser, type aws.amazon.com. Then hit on create account. So you can see it here. Then from here, on your left side here, down here you can see new to AWS, sign up. So click on sign up. Yes, and from here follow the steps, add the email, the AWS account name, just follow the steps, and within a short time your AWS account will be set up and ready to go. Then from there you can play around with any AWS services that you'd like to try. So I'll let you do that on your own. In case you're stuck, please let me know in the comments. So let's proceed. Step 6. So what's next after you're able to sign up? Once you're in, try some beginner steps. Launch a basic website, upload a file to S3, or sign up a sample database. Play around in the AWS console and follow tutorials to keep learning. Our final thoughts. To wrap it up, AWS is Amazon's cloud platform. It's powerful, flexible, and affordable. You only pay for what you use. It's beginner friendly, and the free tier lets you try a lot without spending a cent. So thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple cloud tutorials. And if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. See you in our next video.